Meet the DT1360, your all-in-one solution for electrical trouble shooting. Designed for both DIY enthusiasts, STS and professional electricians, this smart multimeter delivers true RMS measurements to capture precise values, even with non-sinus dial waveforms. Key features: true RMS use 6,000 counts, ensures accurate readings for AC/DC voltage, current resistance and continuity, non-contact voltage (NCV), detects live wires without direct contact, keeping you safe during inspections. One-touch function, SEL for easy range switching, making operation faster and more intuitive. Durable and safe, silicone rubber casing for shock resistance. CAT 600V safety rating for high voltage environments. Complete accessories. Comes with test leads 9V battery and user manual ready to use out of the box. What you can test: household sockets, wiring circuits, and battery voltage, continuity of fuses, switches, and motor windings.